Good morning, Riverview. Today is November 15th, and this is RAM News. And I'm Mickeyshane McGetrick. Today's trivia question is, how much United States federal student loan debt is there? Today is also America Recycles Day. Congratulations to Miss Karen Hamblin for organizing and holding the first induction ceremony for the National Career Association last week. The students and guests had a wonderful time. If you're looking for a fun way to earn lots of community service hours, please sign up to be a guide for the elementary age students at the Embracing Our Differences art exhibit. No experience is necessary, and you will be trained and provided with lunch. Training will take place on December 2nd. Please stop by Miss Stockhill's room 5116 to get a permission slip to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Lady Ram will be happening this year on November 30th, 2022 at 7 p.m. in the RPAC. Lady Ram is an event in which senior girls are given the chance to showcase themselves and their talents in order to compete for the title of Lady Ram 2022 to 2023. Tickets will be sold starting this Monday, November 14th, before and after school in the Breezeway for $8 and for $10 at the door. Follow our Instagram to stay up to date with any events by the junior board. Coexistence Club will be hosting a Friendsgiving after school on Tuesday in Miss Stockhill's room 5116. Please bring a dish to share and your permission slips. Rethinking Plastics Club is having a meeting tomorrow, November 16th in room 5237. The Young Americans for Freedom Club honored our NHS veterans last Friday on Veterans Day with their annual display in the Breezeway. The club also made cards for each RHS military member. Thank you, RHS veterans, for serving our country. We're all thankful for your service. Girls basketball is playing tonight. JV is playing at 6 p.m. and varsity is playing against Venice at 7:30 p.m. at Riverview. Varsity girls basketball is playing Port Charlotte on Thursday at 7:30 p.m. here. On Saturday, there will be a game against Tampa Plant here at RHS. JV will play at 11 a.m. and varsity at 12:30 p.m. Remember to make arrangements for after-school tutoring on Wednesday for Spanish, algebra, geometry, and social studies. On Thursday, it'll be science, algebra, geometry, and social science. Today's trivia question was, how much U.S. federal student loan debt is there? The answer is $1.6 trillion, which are owed by 43 million people. Alrighty, that is all we have for you today. Have a perfectly terrific Tuesday, or else.